Hello, good morning, dear student. Welcome to online learning class. And today we discuss about Flamingo books, chapter number 2. The title is Deep Water. In this story, Deep Water, written by William Douglas. In this chapter, the narrator tells his story about his life. The narrator fears of water. That's why the deep water title is one. So writer William Douglas himself narrated this story, Deep Water. First, we discuss about characters and places. In this chapter, only one character, which is William Douglas, who narrated his story. First, Douglas, narrator of the story. Okay, so he was narrating his story. Place YMCA pool. YMCA pool जो प्लेस नेम है जिसका जहाँ पे वो डॉक्टर जो विलियम डॉगलस वो स्विमिंग करने के लिए से वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं। स्विमिंग पूल रन बाय यंग मेन, जहाँ पे यंग मैन जो आते थे वो स्विमिंग करने के लिए आते थे और जहाँ पे जो स्विमिंग करते थे वहाँ उसी पूल के अंदर जो ये जो पूल जिसने बनाया था वाइट से पूल उसका ट्रस्ट कौन चलाते थे? क्रिश्चियन एसोसिएशन। ये जो है वो क्रिश्चियन इंस्टीट्यूट जो थी उसने ये जो पूल जो वाइट से पूल वो चला याकिमा। Okay, Yakima is city name. Yakima is a city located about 6 miles southeast of Mount Rainier, Washington. ये जो माउंट साउथ के अंदर जो माउंट रेनियर वाशिंगटन है, वाशिंगटन के साउथ साइड के अंदर वहाँ पे 16 माइल far away the Yakima city is located. In this story, the narrator talks about his fear of water and how he finally overcome it with strong willpower, hard work, courage, and firm determination. In this story, the narrator talks about his fear of water and how he overcome his fear to with strong willpower, courage, hard work, and firm determination. Firm determination means निश्चित कोई गोल उसका होता है जो मक्कम है। Okay? So, in this chapter, the narrator say about this story. Now, read the summary. In this story, Douglas talk about his fear of water and how he finally overcome it with strong willpower, courage, hard work, and firm determination. Once he took courage, the fear vanished. Okay? That's so most of our fear are baseless. Fear creates danger where there is none. The writer's experience further competing the proverbial truth. Okay? Proverbial truth means relating to resemble. Okay? Where there is a will, there is a way. Okay? जहाँ पे फियर भी दिखता है और ये भी रास्ता दिखता है. The story Deep Water tells us how the writer overcome his fear of water and learn swimming with clean determination and willpower. Okay? So narrator also overcome his fear of water and he was learned swimming with clear determination with willpower. He had developed a terror of water since childhood. So narrator want to develop his fear of water in his childhood. When he was there or 4 years old, the writer had gone to the California with his father. Now, the narrator tells about his trip of few before some year ago. What happened when the narrator and his father went to California? That time happened this incident. See, one day on the beach, what was the incident happened? When he was there, one day on the beach, the waves knocked the child, the waves knocked on the child down and swept over him. जहाँ पे जो बीच पे जो स्विमिंग पूल का बीच जो था वहाँ पे वो बैठे हुए थे, तो वहाँ पे उसका जो वाटर जो थे वो उसको उसके अंदर बैंड करते उस पूल के अंदर झुकाने के लिए उसको उसके अंदर स्विमिंग करने के लिए उसको बैंड करते. The child was terrified, but the father who knew there was no harm laughed. The experience bred a permanent fear of water in the child's subconscious mind. Okay? उसके फादर को पता था कि कुछ होने वाला नहीं, लेकिन ये जो नैरेटर जो थे उस नैरेटर के माइंड के अंदर थोड़ा सा डर उसके मन में था, इसलिए वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के अंदर उसी के अंदर वो परमानेंटली जो फियर जो डर जो था वो उसके मन में आ जाता. Still another incident more serious increased his terror. The writer was trying to learn swimming in the YMCA swimming pool in Yakima. The second incident was happened in YMCA pool where he was learned swimming, okay, in Yakima. So what happened? One day while he was waiting for other boys, a big boy suddenly played a dangerous acting like comic and pushed him into the water. So what happened? When the narrator wait for his friend, the friend is coming, and when the narrator sit on waxy pool, so his friend pushed him into the water. So when he reached the bottom, he jumped upward with all his strength He came up what every slowly. Okay, so he he jumped in the water, but the narrator jumped upward with his strength, but he came upward very slowly. Okay? He tried to catch hold of something like a rope, but grasped only on water. Okay? तो कुछ पकड़ना चाहते थे बाहर निकलने के लिए कि उसको वाटर के सिवाय कुछ भी दिखता नहीं। He tried to shout, but no sound came out. He went down again. He lungs had trouble and he grew busy. He felt paralyzed with fear. उसको लगता है कि मुझे पैरालाइज हो गया उस डर के कारण. All these limbs were paralyzed. So narrator feels that I have paralyzed. So he fear of his this paralyzed disease. Only the movement of his heart told him that he was alive. उसको लगता है कि मेरा जो बॉडी है वो कोई काम नहीं कर रहा, तो उसको लगता है कि मेरा जो ओनली जो हार्ट है वही मुझे अलाइव बता रहा है कि मैं जिंदा हूँ ऐसा फील कर रहा हूँ. Again he tried to jump up with his time, but this time his limbs would not move at all. He looked for ropes, ladders, and water wings, but all in vain. Then he went down again the third time. Okay? So narrator also jumped in the third time. This time all effort and fear ceased. He was moving towards peaceful death. Writer was in peace. लेकिन ये जो थर्ड टाइम जब नैरेटर रिपोर्ट करते हैं तो डर के कारण क्या हो जाते हैं, वो सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं और मूविंग टूवर्ड्स पीसफुल और शांति से वो आगे की तरफ मूव करते हैं और जो राइटर जो थे वो शांत हो जाते हैं. When it came to consciousness, यानी वो जैसे अनकॉन्शियसनेस में के अंदर वो चला जाता है क्योंकि उसने थोड़ा सा पानी अंदर पी लिया तो उसके कारण वो बेहोश हो गया. तो जब वो कॉन्शियसनेस के अंदर आते हैं, he found himself lying on the side of the pool with the other boys nearby. तो जब वो बेहोश थे तब वो बाद में आए तो क्या होगा, तो वो उसको पता नहीं था कि मैं कहाँ पे सो रहा हूँ. तो उसका फ्रेंड जो था उस फ्रेंड के साथ वो वहाँ पे उस पूल के बीच के साइड में सो रहा था. The terror that he had experienced in the pool never left him. It haunted him for years and years to come. It spoiled many of his expectations of swimming and fishing. It spoiled his pleasure in Maine, Lake New Hampshire. Okay? तो उसको आनंद मिलता था कहाँ पे, ये जो लेक जो था न्यू हेम्पशायर जो करके जो प्लेस जो था उसी जगह पे उसको प्लेजर उसी मिलते हैं. कोलंबिया एंड बम्पिंग लेक टीसी, तो वो जहाँ पे वो घूम के आया था कौन से प्लेसेस, ये जो हेम्पशायर कोलंबिया जैसे जो प्लेसेस जो थे वहाँ पे वो घूम के आया. बट द राइटर वाज डिटरमाइंड टू विन हिज टेरर. लेकिन ये जो राइटर था उसने उसका गोल यही था कि मुझे जो टेरर है, मुझे फियर है, उस फियर को फियर से मुझे जीतना है। He took help of swimming instructor to learn swimming. उसने स्विमिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर जो थे यानी जो स्विमिंग कोच जो थे उससे भी उसने इंस्ट्रक्टर लिया था टू लर्न स्विमिंग। The instructor taught him various actions necessary in swimming part by part. He put his face under water and exhaled and inhaled, raising it above water. Exhale and inhale का मीनिंग यही है कि एक्सेल का मीनिंग ये कि जो अपनी जो ब्रीथिंग सिस्टम है उसको आउटसाइड की तरफ निकालना, और इनहेल का मीनिंग ये कि ब्रीथिंग एयर इन आवर नोज। He practiced it for several weeks. He had to kick with his legs few weeks on the side of the pool. At last, combined all these actions and made the bridle swim. He learned swimming, but the terror continues. Okay? So what happened? The narrator tried to learn swimming. Some few days, some few weeks, he tried to kick with legs. Okay? But at the last, the fear was also in his mind. So deep goes our childhood experience. So fearful is the fear of fear. So narrator also tried to teach fear outcome, but the narrator said that, the writer said that, so fearful is the fear of fear. fearful जो है वो fear से भी, जो fear है उससे भी ज्यादा hard है। Whenever he was in water, the terror returned hands forward. The writer tried to terror itself. He tried asking it sarcastically as to what it can really do to him. Okay? So the narrator said that I asking him to satiric tone as what it can really do to him. तो बोल रहे कि मैं उसके साथ क्या करूं? Courage the terror to move is victory. Okay? Courage the terror to move is victory is force. Okay? By force. तो करेज उसके अंदर जो एक टेरर और जो फियर है उसको कैसे बाहर निकालना है? टू मूव वन इज विक्ट्री इन बाय फोर्स। He faced the challenge deliberately. ओके, तो वो चैलेंज करते हैं इनडायरेक्टली, deliberately in various places like the war. So, the end of the story, the narrator challenged to deliberately in various places like the Warm Lake. Okay? जो वार्म लेक करके जो प्लेसेस है उसी प्लेस के वो एग्जाम्पल बता रहे हैं, उसकी तरफ में ये जो प्लेसेस है उसको भी हम उसको चैलेंज करना चाहते हैं। He win it at last, making the end of the story. The narrator win in this terror Okay. So in this story, the narrator was tell the story about his fear of water and how he was finally overcome with his fear of water. At the end of the story, he was win in his life. Okay. I hope that you understand this summary. Important character first. Only one character is in this story. The important places. Okay.